Dorothée Borca Dumortier, take one. I think what's incredibly important these days is to solve for clients, right? The specific needs of clients, they need to be understood and solved by financial institutions. So to do that, we need to be very close to customers, understand the diverse needs. And by doing that, we need to be relevant and we need to constantly ship new products and offer services that we really do answer their needs, that they do have evolving needs, right? Because we've seen a lot of different situations where banks were struggling with answering the needs and they lost steam as a consequence. So this is really, I think, what stands the financial institutions at the moment, being close to the customers, being relevant and solving problems for them. So basically, digital innovation, we eat that at breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. That's very much part of our DNA, our history. So it's at the forefront of everything that we do and everything that we design for our clients as a digital institution. So specifically in Switzerland, and I think for our very own business, we have seen the rise of lots of unregulated entities and brokers trying to capture part of the market share that's in our market. But us as a regulated institution with a full banking license, a full FINMA banking license, we have managed to really ensure a steady growth and we've been able to really, again, answer those clients' needs. But again, I think in terms of challenges, a lot more competition. There's more new entrants into the markets. And again, also, I think lots of institutions were very good at marketing, actually, presenting an image and a solidity of the platforms, of the financial services that we're offering. But if you really scratch the surface, then you would realize there was sometimes a bit of an empty shell. So regulation is clearly also something that we are looking at, not just in Switzerland, but on a global level, so that we ensure we're always on the page when it comes to keep growing our business in the future. So again, it's going to be down to the relevance that you have in your market and really speaking to your audience and offering the products and the services that will specifically answer what they want. So it sounds maybe like a very obvious answer, but it's not that obvious actually to implement that on a daily basis and staying at the forefront of the emerging trends that we are seeing in finance. And we see with the rise of the neobanks and the new brokers over the past years in Switzerland and also in Europe, that it's a major threat actually to the traditional banks that we all know. So again, there's lots to do still, but we are very much at the forefront of what would be needed in the future so that our clients can trade confidently with us. So the next steps will be product diversification. We've been literally the best at what we did since a decade, as in the product that we are offering, the CFD. And the plans for the future are really to diversify these product sets that we have and still offering the great platform, the features, the innovation that we already offer to our clients. We want to embed more artificial intelligence tools so that our clients can trade and invest in the future, making the best possible informed decisions. So we're going to double down on education. We're going to double down on customer service because, again, this is what sets us apart. So there's lots of very ambitious plans for the future. So I'm very excited.